All right, I figured I'd take you along for the ride here. Dana 30 on a 95 Grand Cherokee. I'm hearing some weird noises. Cracked open this fill, and it was low. Give it a whack or two. You can see somebody's been in here. Now, it is moving. Ah, okay. Not even attached. Look at that. Really wasn't even attached. Well, nothing obvious. And I don't have the car jacked up, so I can't turn it. Let's see, did somebody put a gasket on or just RTV it? Look at that. All they did was... look at this. What the hell was someone thinking here?